Have you ever asked yourself? Why do you overthink at night, but feel totally fine in the morning? Why does one person stay calm in chaos, while another totally loses it? Why do you remember embarrassing moments from 10 years ago, but forget what you ate yesterday? Yeah, that's not random. That's psychology at work. And today, we're breaking it all down. No boring textbook talk. No complicated science words. Just real-life stuff you deal with every single day. So if you want to understand your mind, other people's behavior, and why humans act the way they do, stick around, because this video might change how you see yourself forever. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Mind and Emotion, the channel where we talk about the brain, emotions, and real-life psychology in the simplest way possible. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because this channel is all about helping you grow mentally and emotionally. Today's topic is one of the most important basics. What is psychology? In this video, we'll cover what psychology really means, simple daily life examples, a short but interesting history of psychology, different branches of psychology, and why psychology actually matters in your life. What is psychology? In simple words, psychology is the study of the human mind and behavior. That's it. No big scary definition. Psychology tries to understand how we think, how we feel, how we behave. Basically, psychology asks one big question. Why do humans do what they do? For example, why do some people get angry fast? Why are some people confident, while others feel insecure? Why do we procrastinate even when we know what to do? Psychology looks for answers to all of this. Meaning of the word psychology. The word psychology comes from two Greek words. Psyche equals mind or soul. Logos equals study. So psychology literally means the study of the mind. But modern psychology goes further. It doesn't just study thoughts, it studies behavior, emotions, habits, decisions, and reactions. Real-life psychology examples. First, overthinking at night. Ever notice how problems feel bigger at night? That's psychology. At night, your brain is tired. Distractions are gone. Emotions feel louder. Your mind starts replaying everything. This is why psychology teaches us, don't make big decisions when you're emotionally drained. Second, anger and triggers. Why does one comment ruin your entire mood? Psychology explains. Emotions are often linked to past experiences. Your brain reacts before logic kicks in. Understanding this helps you pause instead of reacting. Third, phone addiction. Why do you keep checking your phone without even realizing it? Psychology explains. Dopamine is a feel-good chemical. Notifications give instant rewards. Apps are literally designed using psychology to keep you hooked. 4. Social anxiety. Why do some people fear speaking in public? Psychology says. Fear of judgment. Past embarrassment. Overthinking how others see us. Understanding this helps people slowly build confidence. Fifth, relationships. Why do the same arguments repeat in relationships? Psychology explains. Communication styles. Emotional needs. Attachment patterns. That's why psychology is huge in relationships. Short history of psychology. Let's rewind a little. Psychology didn't start in labs. It started with philosophy. Greek philosophers like Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. They asked deep questions like, what is the mind? Are we born good or bad? Do thoughts control behavior? No experiments, just deep thinking. Birth of modern psychology. In 1879, a man named Wilhelm Wundt opened the first psychology laboratory. This moment turned psychology into a science. From here, psychology grew into different schools of thought. Famous psychologists: Sigmund Freud, unconscious mind and childhood experiences. B.F. Skinner, behavior, rewards, and punishment. Carl Jung, personality and the deeper mind. Abraham Maslow, human needs and self-growth. Each of them added a new piece to understanding human behavior. Branches of psychology. Psychology isn't just one thing. It has many branches. Clinical psychology, mental health, anxiety, depression, trauma. Educational psychology, learning, memory, motivation. Developmental psychology, childhood to old age. Industrial or organizational psychology, workplace motivation, leadership, productivity. Social psychology, group behavior, peer pressure, social media. Why psychology matters in your life. Psychology helps you understand yourself, control emotions, improve relationships, build confidence, make better decisions. The more you understand your mind, the less power negative emotions have over you. Psychology doesn't change who you are. It helps you become who you're meant to be. Here's the truth. Psychology isn't just a subject. It's a life skill. When you understand your mind, you stop being controlled by fear, anger, and confusion. You stop overthinking every little thing. You stop reacting emotionally. You start responding with awareness. You start growing instead of just surviving. So if you want to, think smarter, feel stronger, live better. This channel is for you. If this video helped you understand yourself even a little bit, like this video. Subscribe to Mind and Emotion. Comment, I choose growth. Because your mind is powerful. And learning psychology is the first step to unlocking it. I'll see you in the next video.